Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can actually show the page title in your pages. So some of you guys have this problem that they create their own page, they do whatever they like in their page, they add an article or images or whatever it is, but there is no actually title in the page. So to fix this problem, this is your perfect place. So in this video, I will show you everything about the page and its title. So first of all guys, what I will need you to do is go ahead and open this page, which is the dashboard, by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. So from here, this page will be open, not like that, but it will ask you to put your username and then your password. After you put your informations, this page will be opened for you. So now what you will need to do is go to your pages. And for me, I don't have really a page, so let's create a new page. So the problem with it, guys, that when you are creating your own page, you are not actually adding a title in here. So let's say, for example, we did something like that and we clicked on publish. So if we publish this and clicked on view page, there is no actual title on the page. There is nothing in here. Maybe you can do something like that, but it is like so, and make this bold and make it like looks like a heading and save it. But let's be real guys, this is not really a title. So the title must be shown in here, and to do so, basically you just have to write your title in here. So let's click, for example, let's write for example tutorial and click on update. Now after it is updated, we can click on view page, and here you are. Here is the tutorial page, here is the title, and here is the here is like what's the page got. Like if you have an article, it will show here. Anything you have, it will be shown in here. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually show page title, or how you can see your page title. So thank you guys for watching, see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.